everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and it is a new styling session. So I finished up with my utility pants and styling those. I then looked at my closet and I said, what should I style next? And the way I do it is I kind of look to see what I might be neglecting wearing in my closet, and I feel I need to give that item or that select group of items some love. So this time I decided to do my scarves, because I kind of looked over and I'm like, well, these scarves are kind of sitting here collecting dust. I like wearing scarves. I don't have a heck of a lot of them, but I do have a few of them. And I just never seem to remember to wear them. It's another third layer that dresses up your outfit, but I just don't recall. So let me show you my outfit. My first item I decided to decide was this blue scarf. I got this blue scarf from Wantable in a box. I think it was 2020, probably either right before or right after the pandemic hit, and I thought it was so pretty. Blue scarf, I love the color blue. And I realized when I pulled this out, part of the reason why I don't wear scarves is because most of my tops are prints and not solids, and then I have a hard time matching a printed scarf, which most of my scarves are, not all, but most, because I don't have enough solid tops to go with them. And that was exactly the case for this. I was like, oh, it's such a pretty scarf, I decided to keep it. And I was like, oh, I got nothing to go with it. So I had to think about it. And I know it's quite boring, but I have this white turtleneck, right? So I put it on with the white turtleneck, or off-white, I should say. And I remembered I had these bottoms from White House Black Market, which I'm pretty sure were purchased pre-pandemic when I lost the weight, but I hardly wore them. They're in pretty much an identical color as the scarf. So it's like a medium blue. It's not like a navy blue. It's not like a light blue. It's kind of like a medium blue. And let me tell you, so I'm wearing a business casual outfit, and these pants I had folded up and put them way on the top shelf in my closet because I'm like, I'm not wearing trousers anymore. These aren't too bad to wear. They are like the best way I can say it is a polyester ponte stretch, if that makes sense. So I don't know, these are like a combination of like old lady pull-on polyester pants, but with a regular button, so there's no elastic waist here, button, zip, and pockets. So I mean, I guess they look like dress pants, but they're very polyester-y, knitish feeling. So down here is very stretchy. And I'll be honest, they're just a slightly bit snug on me that if I were to go to the office, I'm not sure I would wear them. With them, I have my Mark Fisher ivory booties, because I figured I have navy blue booties, I have black booties, of course brown and red, but the best I think would go with this would have been white, so that's what I chose for my white booties. So this is my today's outfit for me working from home and not leaving the house. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another styling scarf session. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and it is day 2 of styling my scarves. So when I put these outfits together, I have in mind not just styling scarves that I've neglected, because I haven't worn scarves in a while. I also try and style them with things that I've never styled them with before to try and get out of my comfort zone. So what I did is I have this scarf that I think I got this from South Moon Under on sale. And one thing about my scarves is I'm a cheapskate. I'm sorry, there's no sewing or design that needs to be put into the scarf. So I really don't like to spend more than $10, $15 on a scarf. I'm sorry. I just don't think it's worth that much more than that because it's just a plain piece of material. Nothing they have to stitch together or try and fit for size or design. So yeah, I'm a cheapskate when it comes to scarves. So I have this leopard print scarf, and with it, I'll take off my jacket for a second. I have this sweater that I've had for 9 million years. It's from the Limited, and as you can see, it's a half sleeve in a chocolate brown color, and it has a V-neck. And it still looks great, and I had completely forgotten about this sweater. And I remember at one point I said, I need a chocolate brown sweater, and then I realized, wait a minute, I have a chocolate brown sweater. So that is what I paired with this, and then I obviously need a jacket because I'm always cold, so I decided to pair the camel blazer with it. Now I think I've shown you the camel blazer before. This is from J. Crew Outlet, and I got it probably like 4 years ago, when I first lost the weight. And I just paired it with my button fly can jeans, which I think I got got from a Stitch Fix. And they are a skinny, but they're what they call, I guess, a modern skinny. So it's not skin tight around my ankle. And with it, I'll pan down so you can get a better view. I have on my camel colored Vince Camuto booties. Okay, and I believe I got the booties at the same time I got the scarf from South Moving Under. And that is my outfit today. All right, see you tomorrow for the next Styling Scarves. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And today is day 3 of Styling Scarves. So today I have on a pink Market and Spruce dolman top. It's just a knit top, it's not brush knit. One of the few non-brush knit tops that Stitch Fix carries. Again, Market and Spruce. If you love dolman tops, or if you're looking for knit dolman tops, go to Stitch Fix, go to Wantable. That's what they're full of there. They're known for dolman tops. I have nothing against dolman tops, but I don't want a whole wardrobe full of them. All right, with it I have paired this scarf. God, I don't even remember where I got my scarves from. Maybe this one I think I got from Charming Charlie before they were going out of business. I think I got 3 scarves for 10 bucks. But it's pretty. It has all different colors of pink in here. So it's got burgundy, it's got a deep red, it's got the light pink in the shirt, it's got this orangey or pink or coralish color. So it has lots of pinks in it, and it's a floral, and I don't wear it that much because I have to have a solid. And I'm beginning to realize that I am missing solids in my closet. So I think I need more solid kind of tops. With it I have paired my gray Vigos jeans. You guys seen these before when I did my colored denim. And I'll pan down so you can see my booties. They are my Michael Kors gray booties. And that is my outfit for today. Now, I originally had pulled out a gray jacket from White House Black Market, and I got it at the outlets. And I got it at outlets probably like in 2019, no, 18, around there. And it's been a while since I wore it because I don't go to the office anymore. It's not a blazer, it's just like a little light jacket. And I put it on, and the sleeves were like up to here on me. So I'm like, what? I don't think these are supposed to be 3/4 sleeves. It's still zipped and it fit, and it was a very flattering look on me, and I liked the jacket. And I was wearing it, and then all of a sudden I looked down at the arm, and there's all these stains on it. I'm like, what? Where did this come from? So I promptly took it off, spotted it with stain removal, scrubbed it down, washed it with some other things, and it came out, and the stains did not come out. So in the trash it went. So doing this whole try-on thing is helped me a lot, because I'm trying to show you new items and new to use, so you guys don't get bored of seeing me dressed in the same thing all the time. But it's made me dig into my closet and pick out things that I haven't worn a while and perhaps I need to get rid of, which is exactly what happened. So thanks again for watching this video, and stay tuned. I have a few more scarves left to style. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I'm looking at myself here in the reflection, and boy am I shiny today. So I'm using a new eye cream to help reduce puffiness and wrinkles, so we'll see if that works. So today is, I think, what is it, day 4 of my scarf outfits. So today I am actually getting stretched. I'm going to a place where they actually stretch you. I think it's called Stretch Lab. My husband signed us up. I'll do it for a couple months, see how we like it. It is pretty pricey, but we'll see. Our bodies need it. After all the working out we do, we're in need of a good stretch. So today's outfit, which I'll only wear for a few hours because I am switching to something more comfortable in order to be stretched. It is a red turtleneck paired with this red shawl-like scarf. The turtleneck, White House Black Market. The scarf a couple years ago from Amazon. The jeans I got from my fashion box. They're just I think they're just black, maybe just USA. I get the two of them confused. Straight leg denim, love them a lot. Very happy with them. Thank you, fashion. They were exactly what I'm looking for. And whoops, my straight legs were inside the boots versus outside. And I got paired on my red, I believe they're Vince Camuto booties. I'll pan down so you can get a better look at them. That I got in a trunk club, I believe, last winter. All right, and this is my outfit today for styling scarves. I think I maybe have like 2 or 3 scarves left to style. All right, take care and see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and styling scarves. So after today, I think I have 2 scarves left to show you. So in today's outfit, I have on a Target cardigan in this pretty green color, a pair of Liverpool skinny jeans, which are kind of more like that jegging style. There's like a lot of stretch to them and they're like stuck to your skin. And I have on a Market and Spruce wrap top that I, of course, got from a Stitch Fix. And this time I didn't tie this scarf around my neck. This is a really long, thin scarf, and yeah, I could tie it around my neck. But this one I decided to use as a belt, all right? And I'll come closer so you can see the colors in it. It has green and navy, so I kind of paired it with the cardigan and the blouse. Or it's actually a knit top versus a blouse. And today my big day is I'm going for a massage. Then I'm going to run to the mall and get a salad and maybe poke my head into White House Black Market, maybe, and try and be good. And I didn't show you the shoes that I have on. I have my navy blue booties. It is a cold one out there. So yeah, no showing my feeties at all. This is booty weather, okay? And after I run to the mall, I'm picking my daughter up and we have an exciting afternoon of food shopping. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for the next Styling Scarves outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I have been absent the last 2 days. So on Sunday I felt like a bum and I just did not feel motivated to do a video. I have an idea, I have a couple ideas of what videos to do. Somebody requested me doing a jacket video, so I have that in the back of my mind. I have a styling Pinterest looks video that I want to do. I just didn't feel like doing it. And then yesterday was Monday. I did my usual gym class at 5 a.m. and I came back and I had all my peppers. I was a bum on Sunday. I had all my peppers and my chicken to prepare. So I threw on crappy clothes, made my chicken, made my peppers, and by that time it was time for me to go to work and I was pretty busy yesterday. So I could not stop to do anything and I actually never got out of those raggedy clothes when I was doing my pepper and chickens. I actually never got really dressed yesterday. No bra, nothing. So I said, man, I'm in slacking. So today I said, I gotta get myself together. So today I am wearing a scarf my friend gave me. It's a thicker scarf, which is fine. It's keeping me warm. And I have on a long sleeve t-shirt from Target. The brand is A New Day. The pants are Liverpool, all right? They're a pull-on, like, jegging style, but they're in olive. So they have this big, wide waistband, which I really like, the big, thick waistband up here. I feel it kind of sucks me in, all right? And they're a ankle length. These are a petite, so they are an ankle length on me. And I have it paired with this loft denim jacket that I've had probably at least, I would say, 10 years. This is a long time I've had this denim jacket. And this is my outfit for today for staying at home. Oh, and my shoes. I'll pan down. I'm wearing a pair of Steve Madden mules that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this is what I plan to wear today at home. Some of you are probably wondering how my no-buy is doing, and it's actually doing pretty well considering. Today is February 8th. I have not purchased anything other than food for myself, like no makeup, which I'm not a big makeup person anyway, but I do need new makeup. Like maybe once a year I buy like mascara and eyeliner. I would love some new perfume. I haven't bought anything. Just food for myself. Oh, did buy a vacation for the family, did buy my daughter's prom dress and shoes, so I did spend money. It's not like I haven't spent any money. I spent a significant amount of money, just nothing on me other than food. So it's been going well, but I am getting a little antsy, and I cannot wait till March 1st. All right, take care, and see you tomorrow from my last day of styling scarves. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my very last episode of Styling Scarves. I'm Carolyn with Carolyn and Her Clothes, and I am happy to say I am on my final scarf to show you. So I have no idea where I got this scarf, and just today I was looking at it, and I noticed it was a Vince Camuto scarf. Yeah, I have no idea where I got it, and I'm dressed very springy today because this is the only thing I could figure out what goes with this scarf. So one of the things that I've been noticing is most of my scarves are printed, and very pretty prints, and I don't have a lot of solids. A lot of my tops are also a pretty print, so you can't really do a print with a print. So I found this pretty blouse that I have. I'll show it to you in just a second. It has 3/4 sleeves. I actually got this from a website called Floriday, which is like a Chinese website, and I didn't know at the time it was a Chinese website. It was one of those things, oh, I clicked on a Facebook ad, or it was an Instagram ad, I don't remember which, because I saw, oh, this is so pretty, and then it was like 20 bucks, and then I had to pay like another 15 shipping, and 3 months later I got the blouse, and I was like fighting with them for the longest time, like, I'm like, my blouse, I'm like, they're like, they couldn't give me tracking on it, and then finally, like 3 months later, it showed up on my doorstep. So, it's like a cotton material, I think. It's very pretty. Look at the details on this. All right, it is a pretty blouse. Quality of the fabric, it's for the price, it's good, you know. And I've had it for years. You do have to wear a cami underneath because it's completely open. But it's very pretty with the lace and the collar. Let me take the scarf off so you can see the collar on it, all right? So it's just kind of like a split neck, you know, with little lace around it. Love the blouse. I have not worn it in a while, so I kind of like checked that off my list too, that I've worn this blouse. And because the scarf has purple in it, this was the only solid purple thing I could find that would go with the scarf. And I just paired it with my bootcut jeans from White House Black Market, and I'll pan down, and I have on my ivory boots with it. All right. So this is my outfit for today. We're going absolutely nowhere. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a Valentine's Day themed coming up this week, so I'm going to start wearing all my pink and red, so you can get an idea of how much pink and red I own. And I might be retiring some things depending, because there's stuff there that I haven't worn in a while, and I'm thinking maybe the reason why I haven't worn it is because it doesn't fit right anymore, but we'll see. All right, so stay tuned, take care, and thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Get a thumbs up and take care. Until next time.